Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video, I'm going to walk you through how to log in or sign in your Progressive app on your device. So as we all know that Progressive app is a mobile app for Progressive insurance customers to manage the auto and other insurance policies anytime, anywhere by yourself. So you can view your policy details, access ID cards, documents and coverage, and you can also file claims and upload photos directly through the app, and you can also pay your insurance bill and see your payment schedule and request a roadside assistance when you need it too. So there is also the features called accident response that can detect a major crash using your phone and help you get help quickly and efficient. So to explore all these features, you need to log in and sign into this app Progressive. So there is a very few steps to do so. So let's get started. First, you need to make sure that Progressive app is downloaded on your device, on your mobile phone, and then you just need to tap on the app, open the app Progressive on your phone, and then there will be the very first home, and then there is the very first home page of this app. There you can see the option create an account or login. So you just need to tap on the option login. After tapping on the option login, you just need to enter your user ID and you just need to enter your password, and make sure that your password is very strong so that no one can crack easily or hack. So you can also tap on the option remember me. If you tap on the option remember me, next time while entering into this app, you just open the app through your passwords only. You no need to enter all of the user IDs and all. And you can also enable Face ID, which means you can also use the biometric logs like Face ID and or fingerprints and all. So after completing all this, you just need to tap on the option login and will be logged into the app Progressive, and then after finishing the login after finishing the login process, you will be able to explore the app Progressive, and it's amazing.